Now at 6, a show of support for Connecticut's commitment to abortion care less than 2 weeks after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. A member of President Biden's cabinet visited the Planned Parenthood location in Waterbury. Channel 3 Waterbury Bureau Chief Dennis Valera is live in the Broad City with more on the importance of today's visit. Dennis.
Stephanie, Secretary Javier Becerra listened to concerns from Planned Parenthood providers, elected leaders, and advocates, mostly about access, wanting to make sure that even in states like ours where it's still legal, that everyone who wants it can get it. A nonprofit also ensuring that's the case.
I think it's important to say no woman is safe until all women are safe.
While celebrating the abortion and reproductive care freedoms in Connecticut, U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Javier Becerra made it clear he's fighting to make sure it's the case in all 50 states. After a roundtable at Waterbury's Planned Parenthood location, he described some things the administration is already discussing.
We have, for example, already sat down with health insurers to make sure that they understand that under federal law, they are obligated to provide certain services, preventative care services under federal law to all Americans, including contraception coverage.
Planned Parenthood of Southern New England President and CEO Amanda Skinner says she'd like to see federal public health crisis resources used.
Whether that's directing resources to support healthcare providers who are trying to provide abortion care, or people in communities who may need to travel.
During Secretary Becerra's visit, access to abortions was a big concern. A local nonprofit aims to help financially. Jessica Puck is the co-founder and board president of the REACH Fund. The nonprofit is nearly halfway of reaching their $50,000 goal to start giving grants to clinics like Planned Parenthood to cover abortion care costs. Puck says not all insurance providers cover it, and there are other obstacles.
And then there's also instances where someone might be in a situation where they can't use their insurance for their safety, if they're in a domestic violence situation.
The REACH Fund would help in-state and out-of-state patients. Planned Parenthood operates 15 of Connecticut's 16 abortion clinics. They've been seeing out-of-state patients since September. That's when Texas passed that law banning abortions at 6 weeks. We're live in Waterbury. Dennis Valera, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.